Hi everyone and welcome back to edquest. In our previous sessions, we explored how Kubernetes fits in the MLOps journey, where we trained models, registered them with MLflow, and served them using Kubernetes, all while ensuring scalability. But let's be honest, managing these pipelines manually with Kubernetes and MLflow can get complicated. From handling multiple steps to deploying in a Kubernetes environment, it's not always smooth sailing. So, what if there was a tool that could simplify all of this? A platform that could automate and streamline the entire workflow? Well, that's exactly what we are diving into today. Kubeflow. It's a powerful open source platform built natively on Kubernetes, designed to manage the complete machine learning lifecycle from start to finish. So, what does that mean in practice? Kubeflow simplifies everything from building and training models to deploying them and managing complex ML workflows. It's designed to bring order and automation to what is often a messy and manual process. What really sets Kubeflow apart is its modular architecture. You get a toolbox filled with powerful components like notebook for interactive development, pipelines for automating workflows, training operators for distributed learnings, serving tools for real-time predictions, AutoML for experimentation, and metadata tracking to keep everything reproducible and traceable. In short, Kubeflow makes running machine learning on Kubernetes simple, portable, and scalable, whether you are working solo or as a part of a large team. So that's all. So why Kubeflow matters? So many ML engineers and data scientists choosing it to run their machine learning workflows. To answer that question, let's start with the foundation, Kubernetes. You may already know Kubernetes as the engine behind container orchestration, but Kubeflow takes that power and adapts it beautifully for ML. Kubeflow is a built natively on Kubernetes. That means it uses core Kubernetes concepts like pods, services, and custom resource definitions or CRDs to orchestrate machine learning tasks. In simple terms, it speaks Kubernetes natively, and that's what makes it incredibly flexible and powerful. So, what Kubernetes brings to the table? Kubernetes provide scalability, whether you training a deep learning model or running a lightweight inference API. Kubernetes can autoscale based on demand, so your ML workloads scale up when needed and scale down when idle, saving cost and time. Portability. Kubeflow runs anywhere Kubernetes runs, whether it's Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, your own data center, or even your laptop. That gives you the freedom to move workloads without re-architecting anything. Isolation. Every part of your ML workflow, from data preprocessing to model serving, runs in its own container. This ensures cleaner environments, easier debugging, and fewer dependency conflicts. Kubeflow is more than just an add-on, but Kubeflow does not just sit on top of Kubernetes. It extends, it turns your Kubernetes cluster into full-fledged machine learning factory with the tools of training, tuning, serving, and monitoring your models. In a way, if Kubernetes is the soil, then Kubeflow is the greenhouse. It gives your ML project structure, automation, and a room to grow. So this is why Kubeflow matters. So in next session, we will learn about a real world use case of Kubeflow. So see you in next one. Thank you.